Hey there guys, I'm back again, and today it is time to open the Lookfantastic box. I had to think there for a moment, sorry. The Lookfantastic box of September. Like I mentioned in my previous videos, I know I'm kind of late with this, but I'm going to say it once again. I always take a very long break during summer, but I do receive these boxes and I still do want to film them, but unfortunately they're going to be late. So that's that. Okay, now let's open up the box. Find beauty in every moment. Okay, so we've got the booklet. We actually have a booklet. I'm just gonna peek in it and see whether or not the prices are here. They're not. So the booklet is useless. Okay, now this is the inside of this month's box. The box smells very fresh and citrusy, so I don't know what is in here, but it smells really good. Okay, we've got one item from Beauty Pro, the Brightening Sheet Mask. It has collagen, vitamin C, and aloe vera. It brightens complexion and improves elasticity. This is what it looks like, and unfortunately the prices in the booklet are still not mentioned. So I still don't know the price of these items. I'm sorry, but I'm very happy with a sheet mask because y'all know I love me a good mask. So I'm very happy with that. Moving on to SVR Palpebral Cream. Really? I can't pronounce this. Okay, hyaluronic acid plus omega-3, 6, and 9. It's for irritated eyelids, anti-itching and soothing cream. 15 milliliters. Wait, but is this like an eye cream or... Number 1 for hypersensitive to irritated eye contours. Yeah, see? Okay, so it's an eye cream. Finally, I thought it was a regular cream, but it said 15 milliliters and like eye irritation. I'm like, normal cream is not this small. Okay. So this is what that fella looks like. Excited to see what it does. It says that it's even for children, so I don't know. I'm gonna have to read the booklet and check it out. Okay, moving on to Christopher Robin. This is a hydrating melting mask, okay, with aloe vera, hydrated hair, shiny and plump lengths. Oh, this is for your hair, okay. After using the hydrating shampoo, apply a small amount onto wet hair, beginning with the scalp, a massage from root to tip, and leave for 2 minutes before rinsing thoroughly. Follow with the hydrating mist to boost shine. So this is for your hair. I thought it was a mask for your face. I already wanted to say why I received 2 masks, but this is for the hair, and Lord knows my hair can't use it. Okay, moving on to Ameliorate Smoothing Body Exfoliant. Specialist skincare for bumpy skin, very dry skin. Oh, hey, that's me. Rough skin and ingrown hairs. Let me just check what this is for. Directions. Use 2 to 3 times weekly. Massage into dry skin before showering or bathing. Leave on the skin for a few minutes to ensure the product works on its optimum before rinsing off. Okay, so I'm going to have to read the booklet, but this is clearly not for your face. This is for your body. I thought it was for your face. Yeah, I'm going to have to check the booklet because I don't know what to say about that. Okay, moving on to, whoa, it's got a lot of residue on here. This is from... I don't know. 575, the color pen eyeliner pen. Oh, whoa, it actually is a pen and it's brown. Wow, that would have worked perfectly on my look today. This is what it looks like, and dare I dare, whoa, that is a good solid line. Wow. And it's like really wet. I know it sounds stupid to say that, but I actually do enjoy like wet pointer like this, because usually the pen liners for me, I can't even line one eye and it's already dry and just bad. But this one seems very, whoa. Wow. That is good. I am amazed. Okay. The brand is Mina, I think. I'm not really sure. I'm just going to show you guys. This is what it looks like. So I'm not really sure how to pronounce this brand. But holy smokes, I'm going to try to suck her out tomorrow. I have very, very high expectations. Okay, moving on to the last item from by Terry, VA number 2. Okay, I'm going to have to grab the booklet for this one because it doesn't say anything. But if I'm not mistaken, I think this is like a lip balm or a plumper. We already received, I think, this one. And I think I already have the exact same one. I will have to check out like my collection. If I have the same one, you guys will be seeing this in a giveaway because I'm not going to keep 2. That is just ridiculous. Okay, guys, the box is empty. Stay there. We've received 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items. Pretty cool items. I have to say I am very, very stoked about the eyeliner. I cannot wait to play around with it. Guys, that is it for this video. Let me know in the comment section down below, what do you guys think about these products? Don't forget to enter my giveaway, please. I need to get back in there and say that in the intro. I forget that. I'm sorry. I've been gone for quite a while and I forgot to mention it. Okay, but don't forget to check out my giveaway. Wow, I am lost. This video is one big mess. I'd like to thank y'all so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video because I'm just gonna get worse from this point on. So, bye!